Linksys E2500 setup. Unbox your Linksys E2500 and place it in a central location in your home for optimal wireless coverage. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the modem and the other end into the router's Internet WAN port. Connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into an electrical outlet. Turn on the router and wait for the lights to stabilize. Connect your computer or smartphone to the router's default Wi-Fi network. The default network name, SSID, and password are usually on a label on the router. Alternatively, use an Ethernet cable to connect directly to one of the router's LAN ports. Open a web browser and enter the router's default IP address, 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Check the router's manual or label for the correct address. Enter the default login credentials. Typically, the username is admin and the password is either admin or password. If these defaults don't work, refer to the router's documentation. Follow the on-screen setup wizard instructions to configure your router's basic settings, such as internet connection and Wi-Fi network. If not using the wizard, manually configure key settings. Change the default login password for security, set a new SSID and password for your Wi-Fi network, adjust internet settings if needed, usually automatic. Save all your changes. If prompted, reboot the router to apply the new settings. Once the router restarts, connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the SSID and password you set up. Test your connection to ensure everything is working properly.